It got caught in the jade. Hello. It's kind of hard. Oh my god, is that scale? Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. So I did a few plant propagations. Yeah, we've got some updates and some maintenance to do, of course. Some plants need watering too. So let's go. So here are the plants we propagated last week, and oof, the Tradescantia is not doing well. Look at this. It's mushy. So I was regularly spraying the top with water to ensure that it was moist and it doesn't dry out, but yeah, it doesn't seem like this. Yeah, it doesn't look like there's any rotting. It's still hard. I don't know if this still can be saved. No roots either. I don't know. Maybe I need to try water propagation. I did buy the rooting powder, so I'm gonna try and maybe see if we can still save this since it's not rotting. Yeah, I don't recall how many cuts we made. I think this, and these. So let me get some water. Okay. So this one says put the cuttings in the water, shake the water off, and then sink it into 2 centimeters of the rooting powder. Anyway, so I'm just gonna pinch out the very mushy leaf. Okay, this one seems to be a little bit more stable. Dipping it in water, just wash it off. And because this has already calloused or dried up, just gonna make a new cutting. Okay, now we rinse it again. Then dip it in the rooting powder. Put it here. Probably too much water. And we'll just do the same thing for this. Okay. And hopefully this does something. We'll see. We'll monitor that for the next few days. Set it aside. And look at the polka dot plant. Like, all the propagations just died out. They dried up. Like, fully dried out. And I was keeping the soil moist. They just died. So we're not getting any luck with propagations so far. And maybe I should have propagated in water. Or I should have put some in water. So that's pretty much the story with the polka dot plant. Just they straight up died, and yeah, it wasn't as captivating as I first got it. So yeah, I don't know. We'll see how it goes. But there are a lot of small leaves growing. Got them around, but I don't know if you guys can see that. Like all these small leaves here. Anyway, those plants, not so exciting developments. Okay, so another one that needs work is this asparagus fern. Because just look at this. I mean, look at this. The roots are like exposed. I don't know if you guys can see that. The roots are like exposed. There's a lot of like soil loss. I mean, it came in like this. So doing some digging online, it doesn't look like it's normal. Like nobody said outright that the soil of the roots shouldn't be exposed, but I don't know, I guess it's just one of those things that are like common sense. But someone did a repotting video of the asparagus fern and the roots weren't exposed after he repotted them, so just making sure the roots are covered, protected. Okay, so time to water it. So I'll just use this bowl so we don't get water everywhere. This is because this is how I like to water. I make sure the entire pot is soaked and just let the water drain fully from the pot. Okay, so now that the water is not draining a lot, it should be fine to go back in its cash po, and she's ready. So another plant that needs watering is my Phytonia. Oh no, look, it's so droopy. I hope it's not dead. Yeah, oh my god, the soil is so hard. It's completely dried out. It's compact. It has compacted, so yeah, I don't think we can just water this like this and let... Okay, this needs to soak a bit in the water, so I'm just gonna leave that there for now. Make sure, you know, we get some good capillary action and all the soil gets really moist and wet. The other one, so this is the Pothos White Panther, super dry as well. So I misjudged the time it needs to get watered. Okay, at least the water is soaking through the soil nicely. It hasn't compacted, it wasn't super dry. Make sure all the soil inside the pot is soaked. I think this is a bit root bound. The roots are starting to come out. It is a very tiny pot, so might need to repot it at some point. Okay, so it's not dripping water anymore, so you can put it back in this. And it's home for now. So yeah, it's starting to shoot out new leaves. So it's starting to acclimate. So I guess it's still trying to get a hang of its new environment, but it's so beautiful. Oh, I can't wait for this to be prolific. Okay, so how is our Phytonia doing? Should probably not be squeezing the planter. Okay, so now it's draining, or it's soaking through the soil better. Okay, fingers crossed, it's going to perk up in a few hours. Okay, so let's just have a quick look around on what's happening with the other plants. Yeah, I put the jade plant inside. I took pity on it. It's just really not loving being exposed out there. Unfortunately, there is no other wall for it to go to. So here is our... does this need watering? Still looks pretty moist. Yeah, so this one I wanted to talk about. The Syngonium. Oh shoot. Oh no. Oh no, it's caught. Oh man, we just killed a leaf. We killed a leaf. It got caught in the jade. Hello. I only have one hand to work with. Oh no. God dang it. Wait. Okay, we got it away. No leaves killed, thankfully. So, yes. Look at this. I mean, this was not intentional. I just didn't have any other saucers and it fit well here, so I just placed it here. And I guess the humidity just got trapped inside there, and the syngonium grew out these roots. They're kind of hairy, actually. Yeah, not sure I'm happy about that. It's starting to grow more roots outside now, which is not what I want, because I wanna grow it in, you know, a moss pole setup. But then the problem is it's almost fall. It is fall season, and it's colder, and I don't know if they'll do well in the moss. If I don't know, I don't want to harm them or anything like that right now. Probably gonna wait till spring or something. Anyway, let's go back. Oh, there's one thing I saw here. And this. Does anybody know what that is? Is that a scale? I hope it's not. It doesn't look like it's supposed to be there. Okay, I should poke it. Okay, so I got a toothpick so we can pick on it and see what it is. It's kind of hard. It's actually hard. Oh my god, is that scale? It's even inside there. It just dislodged. I'm such an idiot. Where are you? Is it this? Please don't jump on me. Doesn't look like it's an insect. Could have been just like a sap that dried out. I don't know. What do you guys think? Yeah, you guys think I just got scared for nothing. For nothing. Okay, let's see if there's any damage. Because it was right up where the node was. I'm thinking maybe it was just kind of sap that hardened. Okay, so I think the jury says it's not scale. So guys, look at this syngonium. New leaf, boom. New leaf, boom. New leaf, boom. New leaf, boom. Where else? Oh, new leaf, boom. Syngoniums, I think, is my latest favorite. Okay, after that stupid scare for nothing, let's put that back there and check up on the other plants. Hello, white panther. I think she's looking like she's perking up. What do you guys think? Oh, I think the Aglaonema needs watering. We haven't watered that in a while, and a leaf I think just died. Anyways, and the Fenestraria, yeah, I'm not really trying to do anything or touch it or whatnot because it had a lot of broken stalks. So just letting it do its thing, and I haven't watered it either. Our intensive care unit. Yeah, this is like the intensive care unit section. So going over here, as you can see, I've placed my string of hearts in this big Santa mug. Christmas is right around the corner anyways, so might as well. And I'm placing it here instead of up there, because it is fall. We're going into winter. You know, days are shorter, days are colder, and all that good stuff. I want it to get as much light as it can. Okay, so maybe just put it there. And that doesn't look like anything. But whatever, we'll just let the Scindapsus do its thing over there. The Pothos, please grow faster. But yeah, I mean, it's not the growing season anymore, and that's just the bad timing for us to get into plants because they're just gonna be growing ever so slowly. Maybe we can just put this here. So the spathiphyllums. New leaf, another new leaf, and the inflorescence has finally died, so we should snip that off actually. Oops. Just a little snip. Thank you for your flower. Hopefully this spring again. I didn't notice this one. Look at this. That's a new growth too, and another new growth. So Sanseviera's doing really well. Really happy with that. And oh, just look at the spathiphyllums. Their roots are just going everywhere. Like, how much more roots does it need to put out? Like, it's insane. It's gonna take over the tank. And here is our Acer palmatum. It's already starting to grow new leaves. So I've just been watering it, not thoroughly, just making sure that the soil is being kept moist at all times. Apparently they need it, especially when they're this young. So the propagations were disappointing, but you know, it's part of the process of learning, and hopefully the next propagations will do much better. It is the fall season already, so it's probably not the best time for propagations anyway. And I hope you guys take care of yourselves, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.